Hello guys. If your skybox keeps turning off again and again while you are watching TV, it can be very frustrating because it interrupts your viewing experience. You may notice that the skybox shuts down randomly without any warning, or it turns off after a short time of use. This problem is usually related to power supply issues, overheating, or internal settings rather than a serious hardware fault. Sometimes the box may not be getting stable power, or it may be shutting down automatically to protect itself from heat. Dust buildup or loose cables can also cause this issue over time. It is important to check everything step by step so you can find the exact reason and fix it properly. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a skybox that keeps turning off. Try these. 1. Check the power cable of the skybox and make sure it is connected properly. 2. Restart the skybox by unplugging it and plugging it back in. 3. Make sure the skybox is placed in a well ventilated area to avoid overheating. 4. Clean around the skybox to remove dust that may block airflow. 5. Check all connected cables of the skybox for any loose connection. 6. Turn on the skybox again and monitor if it stays on properly.